Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Glenn from Beauty Angels Academy.
I'm Claire, Master Trainer for Beauty Angels Academy.
Listen, if you have experience with microblading already, you're not a beginner, but you would love to get certified with Beauty Angels and you'd love to come to one of our live courses and have the opportunity to work on a model, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, we've got a great solution for you. Claire, tell them what the solution is.
Conversion course.
The conversion course.
The conversion course is for you because you already did a course, or maybe you did an online course. Maybe you did not learn shading, okay? And you're not feeling confident with your work. So this is the course for you, but you also don't want to spend a fortune, like another $3,000-$4,000. This is the course for you.
Yeah, so this is how we came up with the idea for the conversion course. Because if you have experience, you have the opportunity to take the online course if you want, but you don't have the experience of working on a live model with a master trainer by your side. So we wanted to create a solution that would give you that opportunity, but not at, a full, we don't want you to have to pay the full price of coming to a full course. So we created this abbreviated version, which is a great solution for you guys. Claire, tell them what's in the course.
Okay, so you will get our full curriculum, okay? You will get our course manual, which is digital, will never expire. You will get a full day with us, hands-on training. You will get a live model, and you will learn shading with the supervision of a master trainer, okay? You will get a kit. In this kit, you have everything. You have disposable tools, you have aftercare, pigments, wipes, stuff to do the shape of the brow. You have it all. It's worth more than $500. And you will get a certificate. This beautiful certificate on your wall. Imagine that. And then you will get our logo and you will be a part of an amazing community that we support one another.
Now, Claire, just one quick thing, because after all those things we made, there's got to be more. There's got to be a bonus or
Yes,
something.
there is more. Yes, there is.
What is it?
We always give opportunity to our students to come back to retake the class. It's called a sit-in.
As an observer.
As an observer. Well, guess what? If you are a live course student for our conversion class, you could come even to our regular class, our 2-day class. You could do that too. And you will still get our online support, 3 months online support mentorship program with this course as well.
Perfect. So listen, you guys, if you have experience, you're not a beginner and you're not at a very high advanced level, but you're sort of right in the middle and you don't want to take the whole course all over again and spend a full course price,
this is the course
for you. So we hope to see you in the conversion course.
Thank you. Hope to see you soon.